In problem number 7, we always start as labeling the isometric view. So from the front, I'll identify this as plane A. I'll then move to the right-hand side and identify plane B and plane BB. It's important to remember to rotate back to the front before you go to the top view. So from looking at the front, I'll rotate up to the top view and look down, identifying planes C and CC. So I can move over to my multi-view projection. And I will start in my front view. My front view will begin right here, which is this point right here. Count my blocks up and over carefully. And as always, use a ruler to draw straight lines. Don't forget to label your front view, then move to your top. Remember that the width of the front view is the same as the width of the top view. My top view is 3 blocks tall. And C, if I look from the front, that line represents the edge of C. That line there is the same as this line here. If that C is 1 block wide in the front view, then it must also be 1 block wide in the top view. Similarly, if double C is 2 blocks wide in the front view, it must also be 2 blocks wide in the top view. For your right side view, skip 1 block from the front view, make a dot. Our width is 3 blocks wide. And we know that the height of the front view is always the same as the height of the right side view. It's important to note that the top and right side views are always not rectangles or squares. They can be other shapes, as we will see in the next problem. I just did that because I recognized that the top of my right side view, BB, was 3 blocks wide, and the bottom was also 3 blocks wide on plane B. So this line from the front view is the same as this line right here. So that line looking from the front represents the edge of plane B. So if B is 1 block tall in the front view, it has to only be 1 block tall in the right side view. This line represents the edge of plane BB. So if it's 3 blocks tall in the front view, it also has to be 3 blocks tall in the right side view. That is how you complete problem number 7.